Hello. So this is my learning on SEM chapters 6. The three levels of supply chain management are operational, tactical, and strategic. The management of the group makes strategic decisions on the supply chain that have an impact to the entire organization. The group's overall business plan should be reflected in the decision made about the supply chain management will choose the tactics and procedures for the supply chain. Product development, consumers, manufacturing, suppliers, and the logistics sectors are all included in this. It is crucial that employees comprehend how the organization's vision, task description, priorities, and the goals are being engaged because many do not have access to full strategy of a given firm. Management would decide on strategic supply chain practices that would encompass the full value chain. Manufacturing is one example of this. Management would decide on strategic supply chain practices that would encompass the full value of chain. Manufacturing, consumers, retailers, logistics, and the product production are the few examples of these. Senior management leadership involves in the vision and mission statement as well as the goal and the target must be clear to employees as many employees do not have access to the full company's plan, business case, and organization buy-in, supply chain dynamics, supply chain infrastructure, strategy, intelligence, um, supply chain management, supply chain dynamic, internal competencies, personnel and success criteria, and supply chain plan execution and plan that works for the organization and the range of approaches might help in a competitive edge. Chapter